There she is! Good morning, Internet. It is 9:56 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. A lot of things have happened, so I'll give you a brief update on what's going on. So I'll start with the good news. Basanti arrived in Oman, so that is excellent news. She is here, she's at the airport. Bad news is that she already arrived 3 days ago and I'm still struggling to get her released by customs. So what happened, I went to the airport myself, went to the cargo handling area just to see what's going on, how do I get my bike released and all of that. Nobody there had ever imported a bike before and there was a lot of confusion about am I importing this motorbike permanently or temporarily, and I tried to explain it with the carnet and all of that, but nobody really knew about the procedure and how to do it. So basically I left the airport thinking I have no answer to any of my questions and how do I ever get Basanti back. So I went back to the hotel and I bumped into the owner of the hotel in the lobby. And we started chatting and I told him I have no idea where my bike exactly is and I don't know how to release it and I just don't know. So he said, I'll help you, don't worry about it, we'll get it done. And he's been an amazing help and he's been calling and getting people to help and trying to speed up the procedure. So it's, yeah, I don't know what I would have done without him. So that is working really well. And yesterday they started the procedure of the temporary import permit. So hopefully that will be done this morning and I can get her back today. So I'm just waiting actually for the phone call to say it's done, you can come to the airport and collect Basanti. So a little bit more waiting, but I really hope that I'll get the phone call very soon and then I'm off to the airport. There he is. Norali speaking. Good morning. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hi. But you already took a picture of it yesterday, no? Ah, okay. Yeah, I'll send the photo. Yes, no problem. Did you understand the story about the registration card? Not really speaking. Sorry? Color, white. Okay. Bye. Not really speaking. Sorry? Should I come to the airport? 2018 model. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, correct. Okay, thanks. They're calling me about every 5 minutes, asking me for extra information about the bike, about the color, about the engine, about the model. So, I don't know. It's still in progress, so. Not really speaking. He is Indian. Yes. No. No, I don't think so. No. Yeah, I can ask him. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, okay, will do. Thank you. Royal Enfield. Okay, okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Yes, it's ready? Okay, yeah, I'll come to the... Ah, okay. Okay, then I'll wait downstairs. Okay, thank you. Bye. It's ready! Yes! I am gonna get my stuff and then the guy from the customs is gonna pick me up and then bring me to the airport and then I can unpack Basanti. There she is! Ah, all looking good?
Yeah, it's fine.
Nice, perfect.
Healthy, no headache.
Perfect. I'll put this stuff down. Okay. So now
Now
we need to open it.
Yeah, he went to
Ah,
bring
he
the
will do
tools.
it? Okay, perfect.
ये कंपनी का आदमी कंपनी का आदमी ये रॉयल एनफील्ड दूसरी आप नहीं जाएगा बहुत दूर है मार ऊपर नींद ऊपर खुले पे फिर टाइम ले देंगे पूरा उठा धीरे धीरे दौड़ी नहीं मारा हां सुपर आराम से आराम से सुपर आराम से हां आराम से I'll take them to hotel. Hello.
Yeah, I can tie them on the bike. Yeah, no problem. Everything that is here, I tie it on the bike. Basanti is running. And I'm back in the hotel. I couldn't record all of the uncrating process because I was helping and running around, so I couldn't record everything. And then on top of that, because of all the excitement and stress to pick up Basanti, I forgot to bring the screw to screw my GoPro to my helmet. So I also don't have any footage of me riding away from the airport. But it doesn't matter, I have Basanti back. And it's funny because they told me that the reason why it was quite difficult with customs is that I'm literally the first person who temporarily imported a motorcycle into Oman. So the customs system, the computer system, didn't have any entry for a temporary import of a motorcycle. So they had to create a whole new thing in the system, and that's why they were calling me all the time. I had to give all this information. So it was quite funny that actually nobody ever done it before. In the end, they also stamped my carnet. So I got my carnet stamped and I have a temporary import permit. Anyway, I'm glad that they all got it done and that I have Basanti back. And the crate looked perfect, like no damages, no nothing. Everything was still there. So I'm just really happy and I can ride again. So in the next video, actually, before I go ride again, there's something else I'm gonna do. I will be installing a piggyback ECU from Powertronic because now I was here for some time, so actually there was time to send me something from abroad. I got a package delivered which is a piggyback ECU, and if you install that you'll increase the performance of the bike. So in the next video you'll see the installment of this piggyback ECU, and hopefully I can already tell you something about the difference in performance. Because It affects the fuel injection, so that means that I'll have more power, I have more acceleration, and yeah, so I'm really curious about the performance on the Himalayan. But that will be in the next video. So I hope you like this video, that Basanti is back. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. And in the next video, you'll see how to install this piggyback ECU and hopefully what the difference will be in performance. So stay tuned for the next video.